We did not see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We only heard that he was brought back. Nobody has seen him. And hence, Nnamdi Kanu remains our son. So if he was taken away from Kenya by unlawful means, under the rule of law, he must be brought to court. And the reason given by the prosecution is actually questionable. They said it's a problem of logistics. In simple language, the DSS said they didn't have a vehicle to bring him. As far as I understand the word logistics, and it did not make sense. So the court did not handle the matter today because he cannot have a trial in the absence of the suspect. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being treated like a criminal. It's not a criminal, it's only a suspect. And it's only a court that must pronounce that word. Everybody is presumed innocent until found guilty.
He was not in court. I know I insisted to find out from the prosecution why he was not in court, which I made a governor to take him to the court that effect. But we understand the condition of justice today. So that apparently should be the reason why they are not in court. So it's starting today. So the court said they need fiat from TGA to enable me to proceed during this vacation. So that has been resolved. We are going to initiate a communication to CJ to ensure that fiat is given to his lordship to continue to try during this vacation.
In a line na dika oge na chegulu igba na ụbọchị 21 October.
Ọ gwago ha na a ga-akpọrọta ya and ọ gwago anyị sa anyị ga-efe ya. I make sure to assure ourselves not the money.
Kedu maka ikpe ụfọdụ na-egbegasị na mba ofesi banyere okwu a? Kedu otu ndị ka nwasị aga?
4 days ago, emesịa unu ga-ahụ the details. I ga-eme press release on that.
Ya ga-ezo na njikere na oge afụzi ya dịka ekwuo na ọka ikpe nyegwu ikike kwụ n'ofu ya anya.
I ga-afụ ya this week.
We depend on you, the press, to ensure that justice is done. As my colleague from Albanese said, not just being done, but seems to be done. This one doesn't show anything else. You advertised 26th of July. I woke up abnormally by 5 o'clock to be here. I came here. I walked one long miles to get to the court. And getting there, I didn't see the boy I was looking for. On the ground of the distance. You people should help us to look in of the distance. The press, all of us are on trial. Nigeria is on trial. And you, the press, must take the lead in defending Nigeria. Democracy.